Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Hey, in this video I'm going to be installing a solar panel up on the roof of the car. We have a fridge installed in the car. I'll just show you that. That's it there, it's a big drawer fridge. There you go. Yeah. We've also got the fridge in the caravan, but if we're just going out in the car we do need a fridge there as well. So we have a Nighthawk system as well, which runs the phones. We've got battery charging for all the camera gear and all that sort of thing. So we do use a fair bit of power. If we're camped up for a couple of days, the battery will run down gradually over a period of time. I can put out a solar blanket, but that's not always convenient. And sometimes if you're just parked up in a shopping centre or whatever, I can have a solar panel up on the roof of the car, trickling power into that battery while we're parked up. Of course it's going to charge at around about 30 amps while we're driving, but sometimes if you're only doing a short drive, it's not going to charge it fully. So a trickle charge from a solar panel is going to be a big help. So come with us and we'll watch the install. Well, today I'm going to be fitting a solar panel onto the roof rack of the car. So I've got one of these old roller roof racks. I don't want to replace it. I don't put a lot of stuff up on there because of weight factor. I don't want too much weight up high on the car. So a solar panel is not that heavy. I'll check on the weight of it, but it's going to fit from about there to about there and across most of the way the other side. I've still got room on the top for my shovel and my recovery boards, and I'll still have room for a tent and other light stuff up on top there as well. And I'm going to have it hinged so it'll hinge forward if I need to, if I want to sort of point it at the morning sun or whatever, and it'll latch down onto the bottom of the roof rack shelf. So yeah, I'm going to go and put all that together now and we'll see how we go. So that's it. That's a tempered glass. Hopefully that'll be strong enough. It comes with this really thin framework, which is solid aluminium, and I'm going to be bolting that to my frame that I've built. So you've got to buy all the bits and pieces. They are all separate, so you buy them as you need them. You need two of these brackets on each side, and they're going to go there. They've got that little lip on there which keeps it all in line, and that will sit there on the framework, and that'll keep it all nice and solid. So it's got this little Allen key that goes on, a rubber block, the bracket, flat washer, a spring washer, and it's a little 7mm nut. If I can get my fingers to work properly. Allen key underneath. And then repeat that for each side. There's two brackets go on each side, so the rubber washer first, then the bracket with the little clip facing the edge, washer, spring washer, and the nut, and so forth. Now these brackets will screw to the 25mm aluminium square or rectangular framework that I've made, which is joined with these little plastic corners. And then I'm going to put the brackets on, and then I'll put the hinge on as well. So the panel is mounted to the framework, and the framework is now mounted to the roof of the car. And I've got it hinged so we can lift it up and down, and we can point it at the sun if we need to. And we'll have a couple of these latches on there. Just got to fit one more latch, and that'll hold it all nice and solid. So there you have it, solar panel installation done. It's working, it's putting in nearly 3 amps, which is fine for early morning, and that's going to be enough to just keep ahead of the fridge, and so I can leave it on all the time if I really want to. And yeah, really happy with that. Down nice and low there, so that's protected a little bit from stone chips. It's not up on an angle that's going to be sort of 90 degrees to the way the stones are coming. It's a toughened glass panel, so hopefully that'll be fine. And yeah, if necessary, I can angle that up and catch the morning sun even earlier if I really want to. So there you go, the solar panel done. So that's it, connected into the DC-DC controller, and it's all good. That's where the battery used to be with the old AGM batteries. I've got rid of that and got a new lithium one, and that's in a special little section on the inside of the car there. And so I've mounted that in that empty space, lightened off the front of the car an awful lot, and that's good. There you go, all done. So that's it, installed out in the sun. It pulls in around about 3.5 amps or so. So that's excellent. It'll do that all day long while it's parked in the sun. So thanks for watching another video. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Remember to do the whole like and subscribe thing. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Puppy, Nanny Rose is going to go and drive through Nolan's.